Hello and welcome to today's video. It's Monday the 15th of July. England have blown it again, but we've not blown it here. We've had a great result. So we're 1 week on from our renovations, so let's show you the results and let's give it a cut and see how it looks. Okay, so let's just have a quick recap before we see the results. We scarified both sides with Ye Old Faithful. We went over with the brush attachment and picked it up. We then went over with a cylinder. We put some equilibrium on and my ultimate summer pack. Here's the results. All right, so let's have a look on this right hand side. Absolutely beautiful, very consistent in application, nice and fresh looking, lovely. We don't even need to get on with the rotary first today, we can just get straight on with the cylinder. I'll get my fork out and get that dandelion out, that's just appeared from nowhere. But yeah, in the main, looking smart. Quick walk over to the other side. That patch that we had a few weeks ago, I've not touched with anything, no seed or anything, that's just come back. So it must have just been a little bit behind. So it's come back great. Again, very consistent application, very deep green with that Dan Summer Secret, that's the iron. Lovely, and I've really done a great job of the annual meadow grass on this side. I can't believe how free it is of it. I think I pulled out one piece over there the other day, but that's just it so far. Few weeds knocking about, I think I just saw one there, but it's not, it's just a bit of fluff, so that's nothing to worry about that. But that is loads of dandelion seeds, I think, so we'll have to be mindful of those, maybe get those off with our fingers now, because they will just develop into dandelions if we leave them on. But other than that, it's just ready for a cut, and the sun's just coming out just time for the striping. Okay, and just because it was Wimbledon yesterday, I think we'll stick with the single stripes today, because I've had quite a long period with the doubles, so it's just time to revert back to singles for a bit. And on the other side we'll do the same, but I'll probably double cut that side today, the left side, and we'll get a nice little tartan blanket going on. So I'm looking forward to it. Alright, so as you just saw there, I just cut it twice just to really make those stripes ping and just go over and get rid of anything that the cylinder didn't do first time, just because it hadn't been cut since Friday. It was just a little bit longer than I'd like, just because I'm cutting it like every 2 days at the moment, so normally I would have come on Sunday or something and done it today as well, just because I'm around this area and doing it and watering it, etc. So if I'm always here, I'll always cut, is what I'm trying to say. So 20mm, pop in. Could have left it a bit longer and made the stripes more prominent, but I didn't want to lose control of it again. I want to keep it tight, so when we're going into the winter months, the lawn's still as short as possible, because there is a tendency just to let it grow that extra bit longer because of the worm cast there and whatever, but I just want to try and keep it as short as I can this year, just as a little test really. But yeah, looking smart, so let's have a closer look. Up close. Nice. Now, what I have done is I haven't just left it for a week. I did come, so I came Monday, did the renovation. It got watered in on the Tuesday, like I said, with heavy rain. And then I came on Wednesday and just cut as normal, just with the rotary on Wednesday. And then on Friday, I just cut it again, but with the cylinder as well. Because if I'd have just left it a week, we'd have just been useless in doing it. It would have just been a complete utter waste of time of doing the renovations, because we want to keep on top of it once we've done it. So you just treat it as normal. Never just leave your lawn when you've fed it, because it just negates what you're trying to do really. So what we'll do is now we'll get on with the other side and we'll see how that looks. And then once we're finished here, we've got over to Former Britain's Best Lawn to go and do as well, and we'll see how that's come on. And unlike this last week, that didn't get equilibrium, that just got Dan Summer Secret and Slow Grow, Stella, Orbit and Grey. So this got all those and equilibrium, but that one didn't. Alright, so we're just about to get on cutting this side. Must say it's looking the best it's ever looked. The colour is just amazing, that deep green colour from the Dan Summer Secret really making it stand out to my eye, and it looks even better in real life. The camera doesn't quite do it justice. But what I'm going to do is, because we've just got a bit of debris on the lawn from the willows, I'm just going to go up and down with the rotary, and then we'll finish off left to right with the cylinder, or vice versa. I've not decided yet. We'll have a see. Okay, so that's the rotary cut done. Now I'm kind of wishing I'd have maybe gone the other way first and finished off up, because it just looks a lot more uniform, doesn't it, going towards the house, a bit like a sweeping lawn and like a stately home going up the side of the drive. So trouble is now I can't really go over that because the hitter's 19 inch and the cylinder's 17 inch, so we'd have a discrepancy. So we'll just go left to right, and that'll be it. Yeah, we'll just have to, next time we'll do it that other way. Alright, so it turned out alright in the end actually, with the strikes going left to right. Still see the strikes going up and down and the stripes going left to right now, so both angles I'm really happy with. Let's have a look at it from the customer's point of view if they're walking down. So yeah, looks absolutely great that. Over from this side as well, let's just have a quick walk over down here. With them plants in now, I love it, absolutely great decision. This angle, I don't show you from this angle very often because we get the glare from this side. But look at that, absolutely fantastic. And really short as well. It's as short as I really want to go. But yeah, we've not had the manhole cover dry out this year either, but that's just because we've had a lot of rain. And the worrying thing about this lawn is now, is that we're only in mid-July and we've already got a few worm casts knocking about. That one, there, so that is a worrying sign. Had they come in earlier this year, is this as good as it's going to get in terms of longevity without worms? Hopefully not. Hopefully we can get another month to 6-7 weeks. And then they're going to be coming ruining all this again, but we just go again like we always do. So yeah, let's go over to Britain's Best Lawn now, former Britain's Best Lawn, and see how that's gone on. Just before I go, the sun's gone in, so just have a look at the lawn now, just see how green it still is, because we know the sun can sometimes hide a multitude of sins. But yeah, that's looking great, and might get an even better look at this now because we can actually see how deep a green it is. Now the sun's not in and we've not got the reflection of the tree on the lawn. So yeah, look at this area. It's just absolutely delicious. Don't you just want to dive in? So we're just back at Britain's Best Lawn. Now it's just started to rain, so I'm just going to get straight on, give it a rotary cut and then a cylinder cut, and then we'll see where we're up to a week after we did the renovations. Let's just cast our minds back to what we did. We just give it a scarify and then a cut, and then we went on with some Dan Summer Secret and the Ultimate Summer Pack in Dan Summer Secret, Grace, Orbit, Stella and Slow Grow. And I think it looks really good. I came back 2 days later and gave it a cut, and this is what it looked like after that. Then I came back Friday and gave it another cut, and this is how it looked after that. And this is today, and then we've got some sun later on in the week, so hopefully we can get some stripes going later on in the week in another video. Alright, so that's it cut. Now we desperately need some sunshine. We had a little bit earlier, like at Steve's, but that's just not enough. It's beginning to sweat a little bit this lawn because it's had so much water with all the rain and then all the shade. It's just beginning to soften up a little bit, and we're just getting a bit of sweatiness going on, so it's just not as strong as it should be. I'm still happy with it, but we just need some sun basically. So there you go, so we're a week on. So we always say 2 weeks pain for 2 months gain. So we've got another week to go, so let's join in a week and we'll have an update. But I've got a feeling Wednesday's going to be nice for some nice tartan stripes. So I'll keep you updated with that as we go along. Alright, that's this video done and dusted. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. It's not been a great one today. I just wanted to do a catch up for you, just to show that even if you do some renovations, even after a week, you can get it looking somewhat like. So don't forget to like and subscribe on that note. So join us next time here on Daniel Hibbert Lawn Expert when we'll be doing something else lawn related. So you've been great. I've been Danny Hibbert. See you later.